This one tells time. This one tells perspective.
It tells what?
Perspective.
Perspective.
Yes, I keep it with me. It's got engravings on two sides. The back is something I used to feel uncomfortable in rooms like this, in front of people. I used to think I was not enough. I did not value self. So on the back of this watch, it simply says comparison is the thief of joy. So I take this, and every time I feel uncomfortable or of low self-worth, I just give it a little reminder, and it reminds me that I am enough, and I'm worthy of love. And on the other side, it says memento mori. When my head gets too big, I need to remember that I'm human, and I am above no one. And always remember where I came from, and remember those who support me, that I don't do it alone. So I have one side for when I think my ego is too big, and one side for when I don't feel enough. And it's a nice little keeper of perspective.